My name is Carla Elizondo, and today my group and I are going to talk about Adobe Systems Incorporated. This company started in 1982 in California, and they started as a computer software focusing on the printing experience. So they created Adobe PostScript, that was the first standardized computer printing software that include fonts and colors for a specifically printing. Now, in this video, we're gonna talk about the SWOT analysis of Adobe Systems Incorporated, divided into two. We have the internal factors that are the strengths and weaknesses, and then we have the external factors that are the opportunities and threats. To start with the strengths of this company, we are gonna talk about 4 points. First of all is the product innovation. Adobe is well known by their being a very innovative company. They always try to see what the people want to satisfy their needs. So for this they create Adobe Acrobat, that was the first software that helped to share PDF files on the cloud so people could see them in many devices. After that, they keep developing and they could share another types of files too. They also bought Magneto Commerce that helped with the e-commerce so the customers could have a more personalized experience. The second point of these strengths is the research and development mission and improvement. This has helped them a lot because they invest a lot of money in this research and developing area to always be on the top of the market. So they hired top engineering and researchers that designed a processor that helped to give a more personalized experience to the customers. They also have acquired many companies that has helped them grow. One of them is Macromedia that helped them develop Adobe Flash that is used around the world. And they have also acquired a lot of more companies that have helped them to develop their products. Then we also have the strong human resources and company culture. They have been improving this from the past couple of years with the new CEO, and the leaders become to see that the importance of making the employees happy. It helped them with the productivity of the company. So they have made a lot of programs to help them, and they have received many awards to be the best place to work the past couple of years. They give a quality training programs for the new employees and for the previous ones too, to help with the customer service area. Their main values of Adobe company are authenticity, excellence, innovation, and participation. So everything they do, they focus on these 4 values to always innovate, be authentic, be excellent in what they do, and always participate in many things to help the customers. For this, they developed Adobe for All, that was a program that helped the employees to develop a personally and more professional skills with equal treatment, equal payment, a lot of opportunities and benefits. So they always care about their employees because they know that treating them well, they're going to be more productive, and they will also treat well the customers.
Okay, hello, my name is David Fernandez, and I'm going to continue with the strengths. So the strength is going to be a strong distribution network because Adobe is well known for being a company that makes their distribution really powerful, because a lot of companies use their tools for their work in order to enhance efficiency and in order to make the procedures easier. Well, now talking about weaknesses, we have the product marketing, because weaknesses are something you can control. And Adobe is not well known for marketing their products or their tools, because they are already well known in the market. Then we have customer service efficiency, because they don't get too much feedback from their customers nor their employees in order to improve all the tools they have and change these ones in order to be available in different platforms. Then the lack of investment in new technologies. Well, this is because the trends doesn't have a lot of this nowadays.
Hi, I'm Eric Fuentes, and now I will continue with the weaknesses of Adobe. First of all, the lack of investment on the new technologies is one weakness of Adobe, since they did not put much effort on invest on research and development areas. So that is why we want to say that they have to put much effort on it. The other thing will be the lack of feedback inside the company. That is why we said that they have to make more service to these employees so they can know in which things or processes they are doing good or they are doing in a bad way. Now we'll continue with the opportunities of the company. One opportunity is the new tendency of mobile technologies, so they can create more softwares or new products or services to people that they can use in a good way, and they will get more revenues.
My name is Nanisha Ramirez, and I'm going to continue the exposition talking about the opportunities that we found that Adobe Systems Incorporated have. First of all, it's about the visual and multimedia demand, as the customers and possible customers are still needing or still requiring some other solutions for their design aspects, and so they can keep developing and innovating about what they offer to the market. Then we have the environmental trends, and as we are living in an environmental area where we're taking care of much more of the environment and about the social responsibility, it's a good chance for Adobe to keep focusing their processes in the correct way, and in a way that they can take care of the environment. Last but not least is that the historic preservation is going digital. With all these technological advances that we are suffering now, so we longer need to have paper and manuals, or even only in our PC. So we're going to be able to upload all this content to the cloud, and we're going to be able to access to this information wherever we are and in the moment we need.
My name is Gonzalo Peralta Aguirre, and today I will talk about the threats that are presented to Adobe Systems. The first threat was trends of consolidation. Adobe faces intense competition from many companies for the most of its products and services. Many products for open source enterprises pose great threat to the company. For example, the digital media segment of the company faces threat from major social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. These competitors force price cuttings and restrict profits to Adobe Systems. The second threat was cyber criminals and intellectual property usage. Adobe received confidential information from its consumers that is vulnerable for viruses, malicious softwares, or hackers that may reach the security system of the company. This security information, if leaked, could be used by the third parties in illegal deeds or fraud and could result in a bad reputation and decline in the brand name and consumers of the company. Finally, the third threat was exchange and rate fluctuations. Adobe operates globally and thus is prone to foreign exchange currency fluctuations. An estimated amount of 46.9% of its revenue is generated from operations conducted outside of America. These foreign exchange currency fluctuations may be harmful to the financial stability of the company. Adobe has a program that protects its exposure to foreign currency fluctuations, but it merely covers of a portion of the effects that could occur in a situations of unaffordable foreign currency fluctuations.